Happy Prime Day, everybody. Today and tomorrow, July 15th and 16th, is Amazon's annual shopping day where Prime members get a little discount or a big discount on a huge number of items ranging from little things to big electronics and everything in between, clothes and whatnot. But I've been holding off on posting a few videos lately because I just wanted to see if any of the items that I bought recently were Prime Day deals. And fortunately, this GARAS magnetic phone charger is a Prime Day deal. It's only $7.99 right now on July 15th and until tomorrow, July 16th. Unfortunately for me, I paid $9.99 for it, but that's still a good deal for a magnetic phone charger. I've always wanted to try one, and here it is. This GARAS branded magnetic phone charger is almost a complete package. It's just missing a power brick, which many of us should have, especially nowadays. All phones come with a fast charging power brick, it seems, unless you have a really cheap value phone, which, you know, good for you. Bless your heart with your struggles. But other than that, here's the actual cable itself. You can see the portion right there that's magnetic, so that's the thing that's going to connect all of the tips that are still in the package within the background of this video. But there is a Type-C, a micro USB, and a lightning connector, so it connects to all phones and all devices. So I'm going to take them all out right now and let's test out this magnet and see how strong it is. I can actually some of them are actually sticking together right now as I pull it out of the package. And a little side note, I sped up the video 2 to 3 times depending on what part of the video it is, just to get by really quickly, because who would want to watch a 15 to 20 minute video on a USB cable? Look, I know I wouldn't. We just want to see the magnet, we just want to see what comes inside the box, and that's what I'm going to do for you guys. And the magnet's really strong, it's pushing away the other magnets right now. But to read a few things in the back of the box, this cable does have fast charge and data transfer, and it uses a Qualcomm I can never say Qualcomm. Oh, I said it right now. 2.0 or 3.0 quick charge, depending on what kind of phone you have. Also, 360 degrees of random absorption with double magnetic force that comes straight from the Amazon listing, meaning that no matter what angle you connect your phone, there's going to be this seamless connection. It's not going to go on crooked or anything. It's going to look like it's one solid unit. As I keep messing with the magnets in this video right now, as you can see, I'm just playing with it over and over again. It is advertised to charge with one single hand, so you can have your phone in one hand, and as soon as you find the magnet, it's going to connect. This is best for, I guess, if you don't have the best lighting situation at home, or if you're just sleepy in the middle of the night. If you get the phone close enough to the magnet, it should connect. And I hate to mention this, but this is probably really good for people who want to charge their phone while driving, but please don't be a distracted driver out there. Get everything settled before you release the parking brake on your car and get going. So let's try it out with an actual smartphone. So the connector is in, or the tip is in right there. It kind of sticks out just a little bit. Looks like a kind of like a umbilical cord just popping out right there. So if you don't mind having that sticking out of your phone, you can keep it in there at all times and have that magnetic charger nearby and charge whenever you need it. So it connects really nicely, but the ultimate test is, does it actually work while charging, and does it actually fast charge? I know that the box and the Amazon listing says it does, but here's the ultimate test, and let's see if it works. Let's try to get it connected, and right there, let's see, charging rapidly. So it does fast charge my phone. So I'll test it out a couple more times and I'll get out of everybody's ear for the meantime. I wish Sugarberry Smash was home right now so I could try this out on her Blue G9, which I think is the best budget smartphone of 2019. As a Type-C connector, this would have been perfect. If you haven't seen that video, click the card above. Shameless plug over. Next best thing I have though is a Nintendo Switch, which has a Type-C connection on the bottom of it. And look at that, it's charging. Nice and smooth, nice and seamless. That seems to be the word today, seamless. In comparison to the phone, having that tip in the Switch doesn't look as bad because the Switch is much bigger. So if you want to keep that on there, if you'd never dock your Switch, this might be a good little cord for your Switch. As we go around it a few more times, you can see that the connector looks like it's one solid unit. You can't even tell that even split soft 4 has the magnetic end. But let's try it one more time with the smartphone. Still works, still charges. Let's try it again. I know that I mentioned this so many times throughout the video, but these magnets are very strong and it always impresses me whenever it connects. But here it is, it's charging rapidly, the fast charge works, everything's working properly. I always mention this in a lot of my videos. Whenever companies go the extra mile, I truly appreciate it, and I love how they included all 3 connectors or all 3 tips for all types of devices, from Apple devices to newer devices to older ones with micro USB. Everything's included in the box and you're ready to get get going. So with all of that mentioned, I forgot to look at the LED indicator to see if the cord is actually being powered. Well, obviously it's being powered because it's charging, but let's actually look at the light and see how bright it is, or if it's actually even noticeable. So I'm gonna turn off the lights, and there it is, a nice and subtle LED light right there. Help you find your phone in the middle of the night, as well as indicate if there's power or not going to the cable. With everything said though, if you're looking for a magnetic phone cable, this might be the one for you. I'll drop the link down below. Check it out. It's Amazon Prime Day today and tomorrow, July 15th and 16th. Look for other deals. Let me know about other deals. And if you get a good score, let me know in the comments below. And you made it this long, so why not check out another video, subscribe, and possibly hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my channel. I'll see everybody later.